Good morning, Charlie here with Red Summit RF. Today we are doing some SOTA, and today we have a special guest with us, and it is
Ham Radio Dude.
Woo! All right, so we're gonna get set up here in just a minute, but happy to have Ham Radio Dude with us, and we will show you some SOTA stuff coming up.
Yeah, thank you for having me on here, by the way.
Yeah, no problem. So on top of Humboldt Mountain here, we have this big, I like to call it a golf ball, but it's really a, I don't know what is it, radar antenna of sorts. So me and Ham Radio Dude are gonna check it out and go around the perimeter a bit. Here we have Sean. He's going to, or the Ham Radio Dude is gonna be extending out his K7ARK antenna. I don't know whether it's a, I guess it must be a end-fed half wave, huh?
He's got a small toroid that's wrapped there, and I think it's an end-fed half
Oh,
wave.
it definitely, yeah.
For 40 or 20.
Cool.
Very thin wire. I don't know if you could see that, but it seems to do the job. I've actually strung it up a couple of times. I haven't made any contacts, but that's my own fault.
We're gonna make it happen today, aren't we?
We are.
Today's the day.
We're not leaving this mountain until we make some contact.
We're gonna sleep here every day until.
See, it's almost perfect for the 20 length, as you can see. Like, the 20 I can unhook right here. Well,
I think we're gonna operate from right here. It looks like right under the ball.
And the nice thing is here, I got a pretty good spot. Foxtrot, 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 calling CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA. It's Whiskey 9, Foxtrot, Foxtrot, Foxtrot. Okay, I got that one, no problem. Kilo 6 Lima Delta Quebec. Kilo 6 Lima Delta Quebec. You're a 5-7 here into northern, well, I'm sorry, central Arizona, Humboldt Mountain, Arizona. I copy your 4-5, or I'm 4-5 here. Thank you very much for the contact. And 73, this is Whiskey 9, Foxtrot, 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 QRZ. I'm just writing Arizona time, and then I'll have to convert it
That's
later.
what I do. That's Ray.
Ray? Whiskey 7, United Sugar Alpha, that's Ray. You're, I'd say you're a 5-9 into Arizona here. This is W9 FFF.
Okay, yeah, nice to meet you. I saw your spot on SOTA Watch, and
Strong?
we're down here in Phoenix, no big deal. Say hi to Charlie. You're 5-9, 59 in Phoenix, over.
I copied that 5-9 and Charlie chuckled. So thank you very much for that contact. I appreciate your time. This is W9 FFF 73 on QRZ.
73.
15.
November Whiskey 7 Echo.
That's another easy one. November Whiskey 7 Echo. This is W9 FFF. You're 5-9 into Arizona.
This is November Whiskey 7 Echo. You're 3x3, 33, 3x3.
I copy that 3x3, 3x3. Thank you very much. And 73 QRZ. CQ SOTA, it's Whiskey 9, Foxtrot, 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 operating out of Arizona, calling CQ SOTA.
Kilo
Kilo
6
Yankee
Kilo.
Kilo. There he is. Kilo 6 Yankee Kilo, Kilo 6 Yankee Kilo. I got you in there this time. I gave you a 5-2 into central Arizona. Excuse me, I say northern Arizona a lot. Central Arizona, you're a 5-2. Give me that signal report one more time if you don't mind. 2x2. I copy 2x2. I copy 22. Thank you very much, and have a great one. This is Whiskey 9, Foxtrot, 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 calling. All right, so I'm assuming obviously we want to be the horizontal position here. Hey, this is Whiskey 9, Foxtrot, Foxtrot, Foxtrot. Yeah, N7 AMA. You're a 5757 here. Thank you very much for the contact. 73, thanks. 51 maybe. Fox 4 Whiskey Bravo November. Fox 4 Whiskey Bravo November 5151. Got it. 55. I copy the 55. Thank you very much, and have a great day. This is Whiskey 9 Fox QRZ. That's France, right? Man, that's awesome. My first, wow. That's awesome. QRO. Whiskey 9 Fox calling CQs.
There's a huge pile up, man.
It's awesome.
Okay, guys, I think that's about it. A bunch of these little gnats or something bugging us, but we're all wrapped up and ready to go out of here. This was a great activation. Ham Radio Dude joined me and was a really good company. He tested out his Xiegu radio and got some great contacts on QRP on there. We did 2 meters, and then we did some microwave on 1.2 gigahertz and got some contacts there. Then we hopped on and did some QRO and got quite a few in the log that way. Just a great time up here on Humboldt Mountain. So I will catch you on the next one. Thank you so much for joining us. If you want to support the channel and keep it ad-free, go ahead and check out the Patreon link below. You can check out more videos like this right over here. And with that, I'll say 73 to you.